All right, let's talk about a way to make money online that honestly, most people are sleeping on. We're talking about Pinterest. Today, we're going to break down the entire roadmap from total beginner to turning those pins into actual profit.
You know that feeling, right? You jump on Instagram or TikTok and it's just chaos. It feels like you're in a stadium with a million other people all screaming for attention. For a beginner, trying to get noticed, let alone make an income, can feel pretty much impossible. Well, here's the thing. While everyone else is fighting it out in that crowded stadium, Pinterest is this wide open field. It's a completely different vibe, a totally different game, and that's where you find the real opportunity. And when I say opportunity, I'm not kidding. We are talking about a platform with 500 million active users every single month. But here's the real kicker. These aren't just people scrolling to kill time. A huge number of them are on there specifically to shop. So let's dive into that. What exactly is this Pinterest opportunity? What makes it such a potential goldmine? And how does the money even work? First things first, Pinterest isn't going to pay you for views like YouTube might. The money comes from something called affiliate marketing. It's super simple, really. You recommend a product with your special link, and if someone clicks it and buys, you earn a commission. That's it. The whole process breaks down into these 4 easy steps. Someone sees your pin, they click your affiliate link, they buy the thing they were looking for, and boom, you get paid. It's incredibly straightforward. But the real secret sauce here, the thing that makes it all work, is the user's mindset. Think about it. When you're on Instagram, you're usually just zoning out, right? But when you go to Pinterest, you're actively looking for stuff. Kitchen ideas, summer outfits, home office setup. You're already in a buying mood. And if that wasn't enough, get this. About 75% of Pinterest users are women. Now, why is that a huge deal? Well, because studies show that women drive the vast majority of online purchasing decisions. You're basically fishing in the most well-stocked pond imaginable. Okay, are you sold on the idea? Good. Now, let's talk about actually setting you up for success. This all starts with how you create your account. And this is where most beginners make their first critical mistake. Okay, rule number 1, and this is non-negotiable. You must create a Pinterest business account. Do not just make a personal one. A business account is free and it unlocks all the analytics, the tools that tell you what's working so you can do more of it. And here are a couple of pro tips for when you're setting up that business account. First, set your own gender in the profile to female. This helps the algorithm show you what's popular with the biggest user group. Second, set your country to the United States. It's the biggest online market, and that's where you want to be seen. All right, now we come to what might be the single most important decision in this whole thing, choosing your niche. Seriously, if you get this part right, everything that follows gets so much easier. So, here's the classic mistake we all make at first. We choose a niche based on what we're passionate about. But the pro move, it's to choose based on data. You've got to use the Pinterest Trends tool. It literally shows you what millions of people are already searching for. And when you're looking at that data, you want to find an evergreen niche. Sure, something like Halloween costumes will spike once a year, but that's a sugar rush. You want something like home decor or beauty, which people are searching for all year long. That's how you build consistent, reliable income. All right, your account is set up, your profitable niche is chosen. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's talk about creating content that actually gets clicks and converts into sales. For beginners, the easiest place to start finding products is the Amazon Associates program. And when you're looking for what to promote, just use this simple checklist. You want a price point that's high enough to give you a decent commission, a rating over 4 stars, and a healthy number of reviews. That's your proof that people already love and buy this thing. Okay, I need you to listen very carefully to this because this is a massive warning. Absolutely do not, under any circumstances, just download the product photos from Amazon and re-upload them to Pinterest. Pinterest algorithm hates duplicate content, and this is a fast track to getting your account shut down. So, what do you do instead? The answer is video pins. Pinterest's own data says that videos get 6 times more engagement than static photos. And the best part? You don't even have to buy the product. There are simple AI tools out there that can create short, engaging videos for you. And here is the second huge warning that will save you a ton of headache. When you post your pin, do not just paste your affiliate link into that main destination link box. That screams spam to the algorithm. Instead, you always want to use the special tag products option. That's the correct way to do it. You could create the most beautiful, compelling content in the world, But if nobody sees it, what's the point? So let's get into the final piece of this puzzle, how to get the Pinterest algorithm to actually show your stuff to people. The whole secret here comes down to using boards. Just think of them like YouTube playlists. By creating really specific themed boards like minimalist living room or healthy breakfast recipes, you're basically spoon-feeding the algorithm, telling it exactly what your content is about. And it loves that. It rewards that organization with traffic. This all comes together in a very simple daily plan. Post 3 new pins every single day. This keeps you active. Now, to avoid looking spammy, only put an affiliate link on one of those 3 pins. And finally, make sure every single pin you post gets saved to a super relevant board. Now, I have to be real with you for a second. This is not a get-rich-overnight kind of thing. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It might take a few months before you really start to see the results, but if you stay consistent with this strategy, that growth can happen really, really fast. And there you have it. That's the entire roadmap from setup to sales. So I guess the only real question left is this. Are you ready to play the long game? Are you willing to be consistent? Because on a platform with this much untapped potential, the rewards are absolutely there for the people who are.